Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you a beautiful story about some birds, a clever idea, and a very important lesson. Once upon a time, in a large and peaceful jungle, there lived many birds. They spent their days singing sweet songs, flying freely, and enjoying their simple lives. The jungle was full of trees, flowers, and rivers. It was like a paradise for birds. All birds lived together in harmony. Some were small, some were big, some had colorful feathers, and some had sweet voice. But they all loved each other like family. One day, while the birds were playing and singing in the sky, a hunter came into the jungle. He was very clever and had a big net in his hands. He looked around and said to himself, "Wow, there are so many birds here. I will catch them and sell them in the market." So he quietly spread his net under a big tree and hid behind a bush. Later that day, many birds flew down to the tree to eat some grains. They didn't see the net. Suddenly, the net closed, and the birds were trapped. All the birds were shocked. They cried for help. "Oh no, what will happen to us now?" some said. Others flapped their wings, but they couldn't escape. Then one wise and brave bird said, "Friends, don't be afraid. We can still escape, but only if we work together. Let's flap our wings at the same time and try to fly with the net." The birds listened carefully. They trusted their friend. So they all counted 1, 2, 3, and flapped their wings together. The hunter surprised. The net started rising into the air with all the birds inside it. They flew higher and higher into the sky. The hunter was shocked. "What? How is this possible?" he shouted. The birds flew far away, carrying the net with them. Finally, they reached a small hole in the jungle where their good friends, a little mouse, lived. "Please help us," they said. "We are trapped inside the net." The kind mouse came out and looked at the net. He quickly started cutting the ropes with his sharp teeth. One by one, the birds became free. They jumped with joy and hugged their mouse friend. "Thank you so much," they all said. The birds were very happy. They had learned a powerful lesson that day. Unity is strength. When we stay together and help one another, we can overcome any problem.